Good day, everybody. My name is Alice Vitumele Malesa. I'm 25 years of age. I hold a BSc degree majored in computer science and statistics. I like to think of myself as a resilient individual, hardworking and accommodative as well. I also find myself doing more research on my line of work, which is data analytics, just so I can stay afloat with the latest trends that can innovatively just try and reduce administrative effort when it comes to the working environment.
My name is Brian Maputa. I hold a Bachelor of Science degree in Mathematical Science, majoring in Computer Science and Statistics from the University of Limpopo. I have also acquired a higher certificate in Data Science and Artificial Intelligence from Simply Learn. During my studies at the University of Limpopo, I took a challenge of becoming a tutoring in descriptive and inferential statistics, which it also helped me to boost my confidence.